Hello, hope y'all are good. Welcome back. If we've never met before, I'm Brianna. Do lots of makeup, beauty, drag. I cry about Euphoria on here, just lots of stuff. And today, obviously, we're doing Euphoria makeup. We're doing Rue's look. For you. And obviously Euphoria was like a really beautiful show, and all the makeup really created like a huge wave in beauty. It injected editorial makeup into the mainstream in a way it hadn't been before. That's really amazing. Don't forget to check out the original artists. I'll put them here. They deserve all the glory, the credit. But I wanted to do Rue's look for you all because I know sometimes people mention makeup can be a little intimidating, hard to follow these like makeup videos. So I thought Rue's look, it's pretty simple and still impactful with, you know, the glitter, the little tear, the little star. Grab yourself a little hoodie from Walmart. Shout out to Walmart. And tease your hair a little, get sad, and you have the look. Halloween and all this is just fun, so don't take it too serious. My hair looks fucked up. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe, comment, thumbs up. It helps a ton. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, let's get into it.
Fall apart. Give me a sign and point it right at my heart. Cause I've lost my views. Feelings of doom I used to consume for you. Wanna give me my heart. Cause this world is so mad, so I keep it out of sight. Inside they feelings like they want some, but I don't really think they want none. I'ma make them drop in a song from
Are y'all crying yet? Are we? Thank you for watching. Yeah, I really appreciate y'all. And even I'm thinking, just because I like appreciate y'all, I'm thinking for October I'm gonna do a little recreation contest. It'll end, I'll say November 1st. Just make sure to tag me on Instagram, hashtag ARTISTRYBRI, and you can recreate any of the looks I do for Halloween or looks I've done prior. Just make sure to tag me, let me know. I'll love it. It's like so fun to engage with you all. There'll be one winner. I have some stuff set aside that I love to share with you all. It'll be fun. Just have fun. It's cute. And you can get some makeup out of it. Yeah, subscribe for more of the Halloween stuff that'll be coming. Thumbs up. Hope y'all are good. See you next time.